Welcome to Purdue Extension in Floyd County. I'm Janet Steffens, the HHS educator, and today we're going to make a recipe that's very simple out of produce from the garden. Anything that you make with fruit and vegetables is going to help you get in that 5 servings of fruit and vegetables a day. And for this, all you need is 1 piece of pita bread, and I'm using whole grain because it's more nutritious. Spreading it with a little bit of cream cheese because we're going to put fruit from the garden on this. And actually you could put vegetables if you like, just dice up some vegetables and it would be equally as colorful and appealing. So today we have some strawberries, and I'm just going to slice the top off of those. And this is something that if you're working in the kitchen with your kids, this is something that the adults can help with. And then children can arrange the fruit on the fruit pizza. So this would be an example of a fruit pizza with some strawberry on it. You can use whatever fruit you have on hand. Also, we're going to put some blueberries on top. This also makes a really nice dessert or a party food. And the other fruit that we're going to use today, not from the garden, but good buy at the grocery store, is some banana slices. These need to go on right before the fruit pizza is served because they do tend to turn dark if they sit for a while. But we're going to arrange those on the top of the fruit pizza. And again, let the children do this part after washing their hands thoroughly. And so this is a delicious and nutritious fruit pizza that any family member can make, and children can make it with help from parents.